Okay, folks, this is one more video. I'm coming back to my office now on Thursday afternoon. Traffic is somewhat, I'm used to that. It's a little heavier. But we have some kind of accident, I guess. And that's why the traffic slowed down a little bit in here. Alright, but anyway. And we're right in front of the Drake Hotel I was telling you about early. The Drake. This is a famous building. A lot of celebrity came over here, presidents. And this used to be the headquarters for Playboy. Yes. And after, well, actually a few years ago, maybe 20 years ago or something, maybe even 30 years ago, the name was changed to the Drake. And that's where it stays right now. Pretty exclusive place. Don't look like much from outside, but I tell you, that's a pretty elaborate place to visit. And it's not cheap. So, a little bit of that. And right in front of us, it's Michigan Avenue, Magnificent Mile. But I'm not going to go on Michigan Avenue today. I'm just going to take Lakeshore Drive, so we're going to turn to the left. And try to get back into the office in a little bit. But then you see a bunch of goers over here, a lot of people on the beach over here. I don't think anybody's swimming, I don't think so. The waves are too high and water is too cold. But they're still laying down on the beach, getting suntan and enjoying the weather. Summer is coming to the end. Kids are going to go to school soon. So, going to be a little bit of different scenery in here. But anyway, so you see the Drake right in front of us. We come closer and closer. The traffic is a little bit heavier, so that gives us opportunity to make the clear recording. And this part of Chicago is very historical and memorable places in here. Yeah, the Drake over here. Okay. And we're going to be turning a little bit over here, going over Chicago River again. And the last peak over here at the beach over here. A lot of folks over here. So I'm going to procreate these videos and add the necessary touch to it as best as I possibly could. And I hope I get sufficient amount of viewers and subscribers and comments. And please tell me, what would you like to see? What area of Chicago you want me to go? And since I'm going visiting different places and going for different issues, different administration building, different historical building, visiting different people, tell me what you'd like to see. What I'm doing, I'm fulfilling my time of the day. Instead of being just bored driving and so forth, I do the recording. I bought these glasses. They come very handy because I can turn around, turn my head a different direction when I see different things happening. Sometimes bored traffic like this, but you know, sometimes I do listen to the radio, but in the news and the music. But I rather directly communicate with people, so I upload those videos and sceneries on YouTube and other social platforms and try to meet people and engage in their ordinary life. And I enjoy to do what I'm doing. I'm not professional as a lot of folks, and I'm not trying to fake anything or show you the things that you want to see. Well, I don't want to misunderstand me. Yeah, I want to show